holy smokes, do we have a lot of things to tell you about and show you on this update. You can see that we have now poured the floors for the radiant. So since last year, we've had radiant pipe installed, inspected. We've had the concrete floors poured, which actually happened yesterday. We have also passed a bunch of different inspections. And again, like one of the things that we do that's different than maybe a lot of other construction companies is we work with the municipalities to allow us to progress the project forward in an efficient manner. So for example, on this project, we got all of our rough-in inspections done on the upper floor first so that we could start drywalling up there. We're, I think, just about finished all of our inspections on the main floor. The drywallers are gonna start down here sometime next week, I believe. We wanted to get the radiant floors done first. Here I come from the dining room area and walking towards you. This gives you an idea of just the sheer magnitude of this home and how incredible it is. Just seeing it rough like this still looks amazing compared to what we've been through over the last 6 months. But where this project is going and what it's gonna look like is literally gonna blow your mind. So I really encourage you to stay tuned and keep an eye on things. The other thing that just arrived is this pocket door frame. So I'm now in the laundry / mudroom, stacker, washer, dryer there, cabinets everywhere in here. So tons and tons and tons of storage. Right over here, powder room number 1 on this floor. And this is gonna be really great because they are gonna have a sports court behind us here for playing basketball and shooting some hoops. So being able to come in, use the washroom and not have to traipse through the house is gonna be really, really nice for their kids. I'm now actually standing in the counters, so won't be able to stand here in the next 3 or 4 months or so. Again, massive island. These wires are being suspended from the ceiling because again, we poured that concrete yesterday, so best not to have the wires covered in concrete, wouldn't you agree? Kind of family area over here, family zone over here, pantry here, dining room here, and then through this wall here will be an office. Last thing to check out on this floor is powder room number 2. And I mean, it's not that exciting, but here it is. So that's the main floor and that's what it's looking like right now. Let's go upstairs and see what the drywallers have done. 17 years in the business and I still get excited about this stuff. You can see above me that we've got some drywall in. Believe it or not, to the best of my knowledge anyways, most of the drywall is up. Because of the intricacies of the different wall finishes and the different ceiling finishes and everything else that's going here, the drywalling and everything to do with this project is a really complex orchestra. Like this, of all of the projects that we've undertaken over the last 17 years, this is definitely Beethoven's 5th. You know, like it is a true symphony of efforts from our friends at Pure Image to our amazing drywallers from Proper Ceilings and Walls. We've got the best in the business working on this project. And you know, they're just doing a great job for these clients and for us too, for that matter. So up here, we've got one of our new members, Thomas, working on getting some window liners in that are all having to be custom made because there's no casings on this project. It's all hidden, clean, super modern. Yeah, like you're not gonna see a thing anywhere. Moving along into the primary ensuite, we've got a little bit of drywall up on this wall, the whole drywall up. We've got some drywall around the corner here. So this is his and hers vanity. Then we've got bathroom here, holes in the ceiling are where they're supposed to be. So bonus. This home is going to be wired with complete home automation. So we can see all of the electrical lines coming in here. These are coming into special breakers that, to be honest, I've never actually seen before. So I'm looking forward to interviewing the electricians and the low voltage guys and finding out what the hell is going on here, because this is amazing. But I mean, more than anything else, like look at how clean everything is in here. When you want to work with people that care about what they do, hire Sprucehill, right? This is what the people that we work with do. This is a level of quality work that you can expect when you work with Sprucehill. And this is down to the bonus room. I think everybody on the team has a different name for this space, but it's pretty cool. And it's always awesome to see the drywall go up. It starts to really define the space. And believe it or not, you'd think it makes your home look smaller when you put on drywall, but I find it generally makes the home feel bigger. For some reason, like knowing where the rooms are and whatever else, it just helps to make things look bigger and better. Yeah, still a long ways to go on this project. Lots of great things coming up. Thanks for watching. Continue to watch, like and subscribe, as my kids always tell me to say on these videos. Stay awesome. Have a great day.